Alright, what's going on YouTube? This is going to be a little bit different video for you guys today. I got the head cam on. Y'all been asking. Y'all want to see the build? You want to watch me build it? Well, you're about to get it. 2-for-1 special right now. We're about to take this SX500 frame completely apart and we're going to put it all onto that brand new minty John I scored for a steal. Oh yeah. And of course we couldn't do purple like that and gray without getting a brand new seat cover from Guts, baby. Look at this fresh unit. And of course we had to get that seat riser straight from Guts as well. I'm about to get this stapled, so you guys are going to see a little bit of that. It's not much, you know, entertainment here. We just put a couple staples up here, a couple staples down here. Pull this as tight as you can, staple the sides, do the same thing down this side. Call it a day. Look at that. They even put my government on there. Alright, like I said in the last clip, it's just going to be a couple tedious things. You just got to cut a little hole right here for this piece to stick through. Be careful with pointy objects, obviously, kids and grown people. A little bit bigger of a slice. And then pop, pop. Put that right around there just like that. And then we just go right across these little threads that stayed on for dear life. Bam. Now that's one. Let's do this other one. Get it marked out, pick it up, stick your knife through, and watch your fingers. Spread this apart just like the other side, get it in there, pull this nice and tight, do a little staple action there. Little staple action there. And normally you're probably going to want to put more staples in this, but I don't have that many and I'm just trying to get this looking as good as possible for the time being. Nice and tough like that. Hold it right there with one finger. Come in with a staple. She ain't going nowhere. Drop another one. But first, pull her tight again. So you want the whole seat cover to be even around the edges. You know what I'm saying? You don't want any of the leather to be showing. But you also don't want to pull too much on this side and not be able to get this side all the way on. Drop a staple there. Pull this one apart. Actually, I'm gonna wait and we're gonna go this side. Fight this side to get over now. Because I think I did what I just told you guys not to do. I'm just kidding, we're Gucci. Pull it real tight. Hold it with your thumb. Get a staple in there. And as you can see right here, it's like basically straight. You gotta pull this one tighter now. Then we gotta do one of these. Get it around my rat's nest of wires. And yeah, this is what a Soshin powered razor looks like if you throw it together in a few hours. And then it works fine, so you never touch anything on it. Maybe not. Ah. And this is why a lot of people fear doing a bar driver build, because there's a lot more options in the controller, so there's a lot more plugs. But yeah, as you can see, I just got this little jimmy rigged in there right now. I had this literally pinched in between the frame and everything for like the last month. It did fine. But we're gonna try and mount it up legit. So I did have a few sketchy moments with the throttle. So we'll see. You like that? Good old coat hangers. They never do you wrong. Metal coat hangers. And I'm just gonna leave all this stuff connected. Just undo this one bolt, and I'm gonna pull this whole front end off of this. Should be able to just slide this out of here, untuck all that, and that's that. Unplug these two wires. Got that stashed up in here so that way there's no key on the handlebars. It's a lot cleaner of a setup in my opinion. I only had the mode switch, but I broke it. I haven't bought a new one. Speaking of which, I'm probably gonna order one right now and get that coming. Get these. Can't go wrong with good old-fashioned coat hangers. Just flip this around. So one thing that I don't like about this is how many wires come on the controller. I might just delete them all, honestly. I don't know. But like, look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 connectors that you never use. You just use this one, these ones, and these two. And you don't even really have to use this one. I just have it because I used it for another thing. Got a screwdriver. We got to take this cover off. And then this is going to show the last couple wires we have to unhook to get the controller free. Lose these. Take this cover. This one's going to be a little difficult to get off because I have it kind of rigged. Because if you see, my connectors are a little bit thicker because I didn't do the best job wiring. But it works, so you can't really complain, you know? Just undo your phase wires. Alright, now that we have the controller and everything fully removed, let's get this motor out of here. Just gonna break these free real quick and then pop this master link off of here. Wow. That's crazy. Well, that's my master link. I'm pretty sure, at least. It's wild. I can't believe that's how mine was after I talked shit about. Wow. That's crazy. You guys ever seen something like that before? Now we just go up, out. She's out. This sucker right out of there. Pick up on here real quick. Make it nice and easy. Oh. Alright, remember what I said, do as I say, not as I do. Make sure you guys are disconnecting your brakes before you do all this, because now it's going to get a little frisky. Oh. Alright, boys, that was a struggle. Now these might be really hard for you guys to take apart when you first do this upgrade, because Razor likes to absolutely torque the living crap out of everything. Lord, how long is this one? The next build we're gonna be putting it like this. Alright boys, I put the stock shock on from that one and took the RSF wheel off. Didn't really record that because you've probably seen that a million times from everybody else. But now we're just gonna take this whole entire front end off in one clean sweep. Whoop! If I can get the wrench on there. There. I need a 19. Alright, 1 second, boys. Alright, now we're just gonna put this on here. Actually, I'm gonna use this one up at the bottom. Then we'll put this one up at the top and just crank away. There's that one. There we go. She just had a little bit of grip in her still. Now we're gonna have to loosen this triple tree in the other side just a little bit. Try not to strip these out. Ah, these are tight. It's not very tight in there. It's kind of sketchy. Ah, all right, we got it for you boys. Whew. Alright, get this one to crack free. And we should be able to just go like this, jiggle this boy up a little. And then just like that. Come on, give it to Poppy. Give it to Poppy. And there you go. Set that down. Alright boys, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I put the GoPro down to grab that wrench and never picked it back up because I got a phone call in the middle of that. They were telling me about a big ride going down, but I didn't finish it in time. So this is our first ride on the new build. It came out super clean. Ignore any imperfections, they're all from me. But yeah, we're about to go ride over to my buddy's house. About 10 miles there, 10 miles back. Just to show you guys how much range this 32 amp hour gets. Oh yeah, and I actually stuffed 32 amp hours in the stock battery box. It was a workout, trust me. But we'll see how this goes. Sorry guys, we're having some GoPro troubles. This thing's so annoying, man. But yeah, as I was saying, we're doing about a 10-mile ride today to my buddy's house. Should be fun. Damn, I missed my shift lock. The only thing I don't have on this new frame. This new seat cover feels so good. I really don't know why I went all the way to Mound. This is a dumb thing to do. Supposed to turn over there, boys. It's okay, nothing a little U-turn won't fix. Wow, that fast? Should have lubed her, I guess. Damn, boys, that's some bullshit. I don't know, boys. Half a mile in, and this gold chain snapped. Ain't even my master link that broke. It literally just snapped this chain. This thing's, I think, garbage, boys. Drop it down in the comments how you feel about gold chains now. But I'm about to walk my happy ass a mile back home. So I'll catch y'all in a minute when I put my old chain back on.